Come here, Tiffany. Come closer. Open your eyes, see what we got you.
Dad, what is it? What is it, Dad?
It's your new car.
Why is it not pink? Why is it not pink? I don't understand. Dad?
It's a Maserati.
Why is it dirty? Why is it not pink? Why is it not pink, Dad? You just ruined my sweet 16! You just ruined my sweet 16! It's not pink. It's white.
It's okay, Tiffany.
Go away! Put your arms away from me. How could you get me a white
We'll
one?
get you another pink one. It's okay, Tiffany.
I don't want the fucking Maserati. I want a Ferrari like Kylie Jenner one. I hate you, Dad.